installing the bottom pegs, you'll find two M12 by 80s. Those will slide in the back. And you'll be able to put these guys on the front. Yeah, so in the middle of your tire, you need a bolt to hold your tire back. This utilizes an M14. And you're gonna put on a washer and a nut. So for the foot pegs, they use two M8 by 50s. It'll go back here. And you can tighten down your foot pegs. Those use an M6 Allen on the back side. Be able to make it across this.
Got it.
Okay, so these are the 3-bolt M8 nut bolt plates, and there is one on the top and one on the bottom. You're gonna need these to fit onto those door brackets.
Hey, you're in there.
One is just good for now, as we're just making marks. So we'll find where this sits. Out the door, put it in the middle, and make some marks on the door. There you go. Centered on the...
Yeah, so you
Perfect.
just have to make it sure that this is leveled, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much, and aligned and leveled, and then make the mark.
Now we're gonna remove it, put it aside. And move on to drilling the door. For this, once you've marked your holes, you want to use an awl, something to make sure your drill bits doesn't walk on you. And good. Just a step drill bit, or at least a drill bit with a pilot on the tip of it, to kind of get a smaller hole before it opens up to a 5/16, which is what I'm using to drill the holes. Two pieces of metal here, you want to go through both. Follow through, make sure it's straight, level. Well, next one. So, we're going to take the base gasket, should be behind this guy. We have another gasket. Then we have the bracket that holds it, the tire carrier. We're going to put on a washer and two M8 by 30. You're good. Two M8 by 35s. It's always good to have an assistant. And those are going to go into those two holes you made. Now, we work from the back. We're going to get two M8 washers.
See if I can get it in there.
1.
There, I see it. Yep, go ahead. Perfect.
2. And then we're going to get 2M8 nuts. 1. Let's get it on there nice, straight. And 2.